Hello, my fellow subscribers. Here comes your favorite user, Super Woody Woodpecker Show. And today, I'm going to be reacting to Dark Conroy Cat, Conroy's Big Mistake.
And all of it.
Oh.
And you should watch all of it. Tori, let's try that again.
No, I got it, Mari, I got it.
Here, let me help you. We're just gonna go back to the start, and then you'll say you're gonna watch all of the Dark Conroy Cat videos.
No, I'm gonna say like right now. Okay. And today, I'm gonna be reacting to all the Dark Conroy Cat episodes that Super Mari just made. And, alright, let's begin.
Conroy, we need to talk. Yeah, just a minute.
You got nothing to do with your life.
Just hold on a minute. No, I'm not.
Hold on.
No, I'm not.
Whoa.
Get out of my life! Now!
Whoa.
I don't ever want to see you.
Okay, fine, whatever.
I need you to get out now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Now!
Whoa.
Bye-bye.
Let's go.
Right.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Conroy! Mind that.
Ooh.
What the heck is this? Just why? It's my mistake.
Gone too far. You're robbing others of that experience.
You're right.
You're being really mature now.
Oh, yeah?
Ooh.
Something different. Something isn't right.
Ooh.
Oh, they're so bright! Oh, Disney's eyebrow! It's so bright! White, Rally, Fleischer, Schlesinger, Jones, Avery, Lance, Disney,
That is a big fart gas cloud.
What happened?
Ooh.
Well, that ought to do it.
All right, Cat. You're under arrest.
Why have it delivered when we can get it ourselves?
Because it's faster.
Would you relax? Who cares?
Whoa.
Did that Star thing just die? Must land safely.
Oh. Now the airplane wings is pooped out of Conroy Cat. Poor
Not
Conroy.
happening.
I already told you that doesn't matter. I'm gonna make dinner with these.
All right, but if a woman with a frying pan busts up the kitchen, you're paying for takeout.
No one's gonna get that reference.
Wow. I don't know. I feel pretty buzzed. Don't you think that's too much?
Should be fine.
I'll pass.
Aren't you,
There's a difference.
if you say so.
Conroy!
What?
Ooh.
My hand!
Oh.
Bad chicken! Bad!
All the chickens.
Ah! Something is wrong. Something's different. Something isn't right. What are you doing here? Easy, okay? Relax. Don't do that.
Okay, fine. A milkshake. What's a milkshake? Alright, let me see. A Hershey's milkshake filled with cookies and cream flavor in there. Wow, I really need to try that. Hold on a second. Is that a SpongeBob plush toy section?
It is,
I didn't
doggy.
know it was there. My kids are gonna love those milkshakes.
Who's up for milkshake?
We do.
Where did you get that?
Got it at the store.
Wow, thank you. You're welcome, Conroy.
Sorry, guys. I'm just tired. I need
Conroy!
He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous. That's all. No, Dad, no, please. It's not what you think. You don't, Dad. No,
Wait.
listen to me.
Wait, that's from the first movie, How to Train Your Dragon.
What have you done, boy? What have you done?
I think my cousin Mari just downloaded that first How to Train Your Dragon movie or radio to make his own video. Okay. Let's start continuing.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, it's cake time. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back.
Okay, let's go get some stuff from the store. This is so cool.
That's what I call a workout.
Hey, doggy, check out this Gadget Hagridge toy I found
Whoa.
from Amazon. You sure this is on Amazon? That's right, doggy. I'm gonna put it in my toy collection.
Wait, hold on, stop. I remember when Doggy asks Conroy that he is about to tell Doggy that he didn't order this on Amazon. But he's an adult now, so he can buy things whatever he wants. Because adults can buy things. They're not children. Since Doggy, he asked Doggy is an adult and Conroy is an adult too. And let's just continue watching the video anyway. But children can't buy things. Only adults can do things like Conroy does. But
Okay, you can continue now.
okay. No, wait, let me finish. But Doggy, he says, why is Conroy on that computer buying stuff? But it doesn't matter if Conroy is acting like a child. He's an adult now. Okay, let's continue watching the video.
Wait until Abby see this.
Huh? Whoa. Whoa.
You really want to play with that thing?
Exactly. And I'm keeping it.
Wait, what's with Abby's voice? Hers kind of act like SpongeBob's.
Wait.
Yeah, I guess it really likes you.
Yep, hers
It's
does
not
sound
like
like
that, okay?
SpongeBob's.
Go on, Conroy. Play with your gadget toy.
Alright. See you later. Do you really have to play with that, Conroy? Right. I guess I should have played with this anyway. I'll see you later, doggy. I just gotta put it to my toy collection. You can't keep it all day. And that's why I am.
Oh.
Conroy?
Get out of my life!
What do I have to do to get a little play?
Nice, Conroy.
Yeah, I think I'll stick with my mask.
Conroy Fun!
Oh.
Ouch.
Wait, hold on. I think that radio is from the second movie, Angry Birds, okay? Let's continue anyway. D-Tunes Animation Television, okay? hold on. Wait. Conroy Cat and Conroy's Dream. Okay. Look at Conroy go.
Conroy!
Oh,
No.
okay. That music is from Wreck-It Ralph, okay. Anyway, Mari, thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Now, here, we're done.
Alright.